you know, we can't end this interview without talking about Coach Franz Pumaren. Question is, how did he influence your career and the rest of the DLSU basketball program?
Ang dami ko natutunan during the time na I was playing for him, for LaSalle. Kasi we won 4 championships. The way he used the players, ibang klase. Talagang minamagnify niya yung strengths. He won't give you excuses. Ang goal niya lagi is to win. Lagi niya sinasabi, there's no substitute for hard work. I've seen players na mas magagaling sa akin, sabihin na natin. Pero hindi nila ako natatalo. Because mas masipag ako sa kanila. So, yung sipag talaga, as an athlete, talagang susi talaga yun. Especially in college, sobra dapat talaga yung dedication. Because ang dami mong dadaanan eh. Studies mo number 1, yung schedule mo ibang klase. Coach Franz guided us, made sure everybody goes to class, made sure lahat kailangan pasok dun sa standards or dun sa required grades. So talagang he really made sure everything is in place. And especially pag kunwari on and off the court, yan. Ako, yung time ko seryoso talaga siya. Pero nung time nung iba, nung nananalo na kami ng championship, medyo nagsasmile-smile na siya. Pero nung first few years, hindi eh. Parang seryoso siya talaga. Pero syempre, nung medyo nakikita mo na umaangat na yung bigote niya.